Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2023 CUPRA Formentor. Now of course this is the VZ2 and it is the plug-in hybrid variant, and you do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights and parking sensors. You then also get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course are a 19-inch. I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition. Coming around to the rear, you've also got your rear parking sensors as well. You've got your reversing camera just at the top there. Then, with this being the VZ2, you get a full electric opening tailgate. You get your 2 charge cables for your mains and your shopping centres. You've got 60/40 split folding rear seats. You've then also, in the back, got your retractable tow bar, which you can see just there. Simply pull the lever here. You'll hear the bleep, which will then release it, and you can push back under and it will lock into place. To lower the tailgate, press the button up top and it will drop down like so. Then walking around the car again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full black leather interior with your copper CUPRA stitching. You've got full electric windows all round, keyless entry and start. You've got your electric driver's seat with memory function as well. Then inside, we have your electric handbrake with auto hold and your central locking. We have your DSG gearbox, traction control off, wireless phone charging pad, and then we have your touchscreen display in the middle, which, as you can see, we have your satellite navigation when it loads just here. We've then also got your various media sources along with your various radio bands as well, which you can see there. You've then also got your full link, which enables Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Mirror Link. Over to the steering wheel now, we have your adaptive cruise control setting to the left, volume to the outside. Your drive select is just here as well. Then over to the right, we've got your track select, heated steering wheel, onboard computer controls with your engine start stop just here. You've got a full digital cockpit, which you can see in the bottom right. This car has done 24,513 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this CUPRA Formentor, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Seat.